We are looking at a pair of photos taken by Faresa Ahmad, a documentary photographer from Banda Aceh. The silhouette of fishermen, framed by the imaginary line of colorful palang, a traditional and environmentally friendly catamaran boat, placed side by side with a close-up of fish that fishermen catch that day. Individually, the photo has its own story, but the two photos work well together in diptych. Faresa photos not only visualize the hard work of fishermen community, but also depict a strong relationship between the men and the sea.
It was an honor to me to witness these men, the survivors from the deadliest tsunami that hit our home on December 2004, and now they are continuing the traditional way of fishing. Their income is still below satisfactory and not enough to make ends meet, to patch up their family daily necessities. Every morning after fishing on the sea, they'll go farming, get some rest, then go back to the sea again in the afternoon. So, I choose to look at images like this as positive and hopeful. It says you will be able to get through the storm when you have the determination.